Hello everybody. This video is about how to fix verification stuck mode on MacBook Pro. If you have a MacBook Pro and you try to install any app and it's stuck at verification mode, then how you can fix that one? Mostly that happen, but there is a quick fix. Like I'm choosing one example. I'm going to install one of the app, and which one was like I was waiting for 10-15 minutes, it's stuck at verify mode, just verifying, it doesn't do anything. Then how we can fix it? Like say we are going to install this application, and as the result it will stuck at verification, because when we install any app MacBook, the system have to be verified, like what kind of system, all the safety, like the app is safe to install, then it's getting stuck. Like say I have this one stuck mode, it's a verifying. I was there for like about 10-15 minutes, didn't happen anything. So how you gonna fix that one? For that one, first we're gonna close that one and we're gonna open Finder. And Finder, if you're using MacBook, you know what is a Finder. Then open Finder. All the way on the top you will see there's a menu where you're gonna look for Go. As you say go, click all the way on the bottom, it says go to folder. Once you click, it will give you one kind of address where we have to go. If not, I will leave a link. I will copy this one in a description. You can copy and paste. You click, and once you click to go, then you will get to the application installing, where the installer is. Like here it says installer. You need to look for installer and double click on it. Once you double click, installer will open. Sometimes it will open automatically. If not, you just need to go on the top. It will show like open the menu bar. If not, just open. Now we're gonna open the application we need to install. So simply just navigate where that application is. So like here I was installing this one, and I will go to the folder where is a like a installation file. I just simply click and open. As soon as you click, it will start installing. No verification, no problem here. It doesn't get stuck. It will verify quick. So that's the way you can fix if your MacBook stuck at the verification mode when you try to install any kind of app. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.